Hello guys, and a very good afternoon from Asad Yaqub. Today I'm going to conduct Ielts mock test. So I'm going to take you to the place where I conduct Ielts mock test. Now I walk you through the place where I have my Ielts class. So let's go to the classroom, and right behind me you can see there is a beautiful cafe. Let me see if the car is it's not locked actually. Let me get my glasses, I need to wear my glasses. Here I am. Now that looks decent. Okay, that's my car, you guys can see. I mean, once a week I conduct these mock tests. They are not every day, and usually on Saturday I have these mock tests. It's really a very hot day, really. Here we are. This is what we call management house, where we have Ielts classes, and a very nice place, I would say, like in terms of facilities, in terms of luxury, in terms of educational environment. By all means, this is actually fantastic, right? We have Mr. Ijaz. Will you give us a minute, please?
Ji, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ijaz sir. Welcome to CEO Club and Management House.
He is my best friend actually, and now we meet together every day almost. And he's a wonderful person. Today I'm going to attend his seminar on emotional intelligence.
Welcome. We are all welcome. और अगर आप नहीं देख सकते फिजिकली तो इजाज़त सर के ऑफिशियल पेज पे फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन और यूट्यूब पे आप इसको लाइव देखिएगा. इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेशन इन योर लाइफ.
Exactly. And by the way, Ijaz bhai, I'm emotionally very weak, so after attending your session, I think I'll be emotionally strong.
नहीं, हम आपकी इमोशन के साथ आपकी मिसेस को भी इमोशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे, क्योंकि एक बंदे की ट्रेनिंग से बात नहीं बनेगी.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Okay, so guys, now let's go to my class and we see how it is, right? We are just doing some preparations at the moment. This is my Ielts class, all right? Let me give you a 360-degree round of my class. See that? Yeah. Everywhere. So you can see the bookshelf and the books. These things show the environment is truly educational. So now it's about time when students come over here. I'm going to make you meet the students. See, it's around 4:30.
तो माचिस नहीं मिल रही होती, तो कहते कैसे अजीब से घर वाले हैं कि माचिस भी नहीं रखते और भूल जाते हैं, या माचिस खत्म होती है तो रिप्लेस नहीं करते नई माचिस के साथ. वो बड़ा जब नाराज हुए, जब हुआ तो उनका पोता था 6 साल का, वो बाहर खड़ा था किचन के और कहता है
Okay guys, so finally it's all done, and now I'm going to go back home, right? It's around 10:30 p.m. and I have to go back home now. I'm quite tired. What we did today, we offered some juices to Ielts participants. You can see the clock, it's 10:30 p.m. Pakistan time, and you can take a look at these juices which we offered. Okay, that's our classroom. So now I just go back home, right? And thank you very much for staying with me. I'll just give you a little round of this place. You've already been to that, right? And mashallah, things are getting really better. Ever since I moved here, it's all fantastic. That was my Ielts classroom. And this is the main lobby. And now I'm just going back home. Overall, I had a fantastic day. I really enjoyed. I had fun. And the best thing is I always like my job. Rather, I love my job. So because I love my job, therefore I never feel tired. Like sometimes my Ielts master class goes on for 4 to 5 hours. Today we have a 5-hour session. I started at 5 p.m. and finished at 10 p.m. and then I had to do some recordings, like there was a prediction video and all that. But I always enjoy my job. Therefore, I look for good environment where I could actually enjoy myself while teaching, because if teachers' morale is good, definitely the students feel great about their teacher and about all these activities. So next Saturday I'll bring you again with me and you'll enjoy a lot here. Until then, take care, bye bye, see ya and good night.